All right, guys. Hey, Larry Smith back at Cove Trail again, and we're on day number 87. Our project has really started to pick up a lot of progress that we can visibly see now. We just started painting the trim work, and all the siding has been done on the main house, and it's going on the new addition now. But I'm going to take you on a quick tour of that to let you see it. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so we've got the windows in, still working on trim on the new addition. So the new siding is all up now. The windows are in, our little sheds up, our gables are in place now. Of course, the carport has been completed. It's operational now. We put cans under here. Window is now in, and also the siding is finished back here. And all the caulk and prep work has been done on the house. The siding on the upstairs has been done now. And all that that you see, the exposed wood, will be stained. That'll be the blue that you just saw from the house. Okay guys, here I am again, right back at Cove Trail. We are officially today at day 90, and today's a big day. Painting continues today. We're hopeful that the exterior will be finished today. Plan is to be done with roofing today. Okay, well, since the last time you were here, we finished up the siding at the front. We finished the shed over the windows, and the trim, the 1x2's up now. The windows are all trimmed out. We have some bonus coverage today. Nothing very sexy, but really cool. Cool thing is the footage was awesome because you got to see the power of hydro cutting through like concrete, like clay. Okay guys, I'm back for yet another episode here. I'm over at 922 Cove again. I'm gonna show you, today we're dealing with drainage. One of the problems we've had with this property has been drainage, and that started back in 1952. All the water, of course, is draining back to the lake. The problem is we have our house in between that lake and this road. And it's one of the reasons we had to do foundation work, replacing the girders all along the front of this house and put a concrete beam in, putting in French drains